and today we're going to show you how to make our 3 favourite stage props. We're going to make some fake blood, slime and some treasure coins.
Oh!
First we pour 4 tablespoons of honey into a bowl. Next we add 8 drops of red food dye to the honey. Next add 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder to the honey.
Ooh. This is interesting.
Once all your ingredients are mixed, you now have your very own fake zombie blood.
Wow. Want to try it?
It's even edible.
Gorgeous!
First we pour 300 millilitres of PVA glue into a big bowl. Next we add 3 half tablespoons of baking powder into the PVA glue. Now we mix all together. Next add your favourite colour. We're making our slime green. You can also add glitter if you want. Now add 2 teaspoons of contact lens solution. It's important to remember to use all-in-one contact lens solution and not just saline solution. Stir in the contact lens solution. This will react with the PVA glue and bicarbonate of soda to start creating your slime. Now wait 30 seconds for the slime to form. Once your slime has formed, lift it out of the bowl and knead it. Keep kneading until all the stickiness has disappeared. First, roll out your modelling clay into a big circle. Next, using a milk bottle top or an orange juice bottle top, cut circles out from the dough. Press hard. Now, place a pattern onto the coins. We're using a die cutter in the shape of a sun, but you can make your own patterns, like George did earlier.
That's me!
You can use gold or silver. You can also create these using salt dough. With the salt dough you can paint them any colour you want. Now place your clay coins onto a baking tray covered in greaseproof paper. Place your coins into the oven for 30 minutes at 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Take your coins out of the oven and let them cool for another 30 minutes. Once your coins have cooled, coat them with a small layer of PVA glue. This will make them have a shiny appearance when it dries. And ta-da! You're left with your own stash of pirate's treasure. Arr! And there we have it, everyone. Slime, blood, and your own pirate's treasure.